In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence is redefining the way we approach programming. Today, we'll explore how AI is shaping coding best practices, injecting a fresh purpose into programming paradigms. As we embark on this journey, let's dive into a deeper understanding of how AI is not only transforming software development, but also influencing programmers' methodologies toward more efficient and effective outcomes. Programming, traditionally an exhaustive manual task, is experiencing an AI-driven revolution, making processes smoother and more intuitive. AI's prowess lies in its ability to automate repetitive tasks and predict the next lines of code based on previous inputs, giving way to unparalleled efficiency. This capability is reshaping how developers think about and approach coding problems, fostering a new era where solutions are both innovative and intelligently crafted. One of the key advancements in this area is the utilization of AI in code review processes. Consider this. AI algorithms are adept at identifying bugs and suggesting optimizations with a precision that was once thought to be attainable only by seasoned developers. By automating these repetitive tasks, AI not only accelerates the development cycle, but also enhances the quality and reliability of the code. This amalgamation of AI with coding practices encourages vigilance in maintaining quality standards, subsequently breeding a culture of continuous improvement among developers. Moreover, AI tools are becoming the go-to mentors for many in the coding community. Platforms like OpenAI's Codex can interpret natural language and convert it into functional code, making coding accessible to more people than ever before. Such advancements lower the barriers to entry, inspiring budding programmers to step confidently into the coding world, equipped with tools that augment their learning and productivity. Furthermore, AI is promoting best practices in coding through enhanced predictive analytics. By analyzing large data sets of code, AI can identify trends and suggest best practices that maintain industry standards, ensuring consistency and cohesion across different projects. This capability is particularly transformative for large, collaborative projects where maintaining uniformity can be a challenge. As we examine AI's influence on coding best practices, it's clear that AI-powered technologies are engendering a more collaborative and innovative environment. Through AI, developers have access not only to better code insights, but also to new possibilities for ideation and collaboration, fostering a broader, more inclusive coding culture that thrives on diversity and creativity. In conclusion, AI's impact on programming extends far beyond mere automation. It is revolutionizing coding by setting new standards, inspiring innovative practices, and making programming approachable for everyone. As AI continues to evolve and integrate into various aspects of development, its role in shaping the future of coding best practices becomes increasingly evident. As developers, learning to harness these AI-driven tools effectively will be paramount in driving technological advancement to new heights.